Subdomain Finder. So first, to start, let's create a directory called Subdomain Finder. Then let's enter it. Then let's create a new file called main.py. This will be the main. Then let's add another file called list.txt. It will be a text file. And then let's say import request bright red. This will be the color of it. So let's say bright red equals to 033, and then the 91M, that's the bright red color. Domain equals to input. Let's say input, enter a domain website. And let's say name. Okay, then let's say file equals to open. We'll open the file called list.txt. Make sure there's a file called list.txt, or else there will be errors. And then we're gonna add the list of the subdomain in the list.txt. Then let's say file.read content. Then let's say subdomains equals to content dot split lines. Then let's say for subdomain in subdomains. Then let's say URL equals to an F string HTTP. Then the subdomain dot domain. Then let's say we'll try to get it. Request dot get URL. Then accept request dot get get request dot get URL. We already done that, so let's say this. If there's a connection error, let's just pass else. Then let's say print. There will be a bright red color plus. If you don't want bright red, then you can change the color and search in Google or something else. But I'm gonna use the color subdomain. I will link this. I will write this color in the description, so you can copy it. Then let's say discover subdomain. And then let's say URL. Then it's done. To add this, then let's go to new window. Then let's say I will also link this URL in the description, so you can copy it. You can just click Ctrl A, then click Control C, then it will paste all of it. You can see all of them in here. Then okay, I will put this link in the description so you can copy it too, and then paste in list.txt. Then it's done. Then let's run. Let's say google.com. I always Google. Say google.com. There you go. It's google.com. Google Mail. There's Gmail. Then google.blog. There's the blog. There, it will be kind of long cause of there's so many of it over here, so it could take a long time. If you don't want some of them in here, if you don't want, for example, this one, then you can delete it, so it will be a lot more faster. So there will be more of them. It's running. It will be long, so it's like a how much is it? Like 129 more than 10,000, so it's more than 100,000, so it will be very long. So I want to show you these results so you can try your own by writing the codes over here, then paste it, copy this, then you can paste this. If you want to copy, I'll tell once again, click Control A, then Control C, then click Control V over here, so it will paste. Then it's still running, so there are more than 100,000, so I won't wait that long. You can try your own. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. If this works well, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.